What is the absolute best way to start editing video, especially if you are feeling completely brand new to the whole process? Today, we are going to walk through the practical path, moving from those easy beginner tools all the way up to full professional suites. We will also look at a total game changer for your workflow called Vizard, which helps you actually get your content out into the world. My buddy Craig from the Think Media crew has been editing in Premiere for years, so he knows exactly what it takes to produce quality. The real question you should be asking yourself isn't just about which software to pick, but how to learn to edit consistently. If you have never edited before, please do not stress out about finding the supposedly perfect software right off the bat. Your first priority is learning the fundamental basics of the craft itself. You need to master cutting out mistakes, tightening your pacing, adding B-roll, and throwing on readable captions. Beginners often obsess way too much over the specific tool, but whether it is iMovie, Resolve, or CapCut, the craft remains the same. Learn how to remove the bad takes, trim out those long, awkward pauses, and add overlays so your viewers stay engaged. Once you actually understand the craft, the specific software choice becomes much less intimidating and far more manageable. If you are on a Mac, start with iMovie because it is free, pre-installed, and very easy to learn. The interface is super forgiving, meaning it won't overwhelm you while you are trying to piece your first project together. iMovie uses a magnetic timeline, which ensures your clips always snap together so you never accidentally leave a giant gap. While this is great for speed, it can feel a little restrictive if you prefer moving clips around like puzzle pieces. The main limitation is that you will eventually outgrow iMovie, especially if you want distinct visual styles. If you want a step-up that is still easy to use, CapCut is a fantastic middle ground for many creators. It is massively popular for short-form video and includes helpful features like auto captions and quick templates. Just keep in mind that some pro features require a subscription, so you might eventually graduate from it. When you are ready for the big leagues, you hit the three main options: Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, and DaVinci Resolve. Final Cut Pro is optimized specifically for Mac and is incredibly fast for professional editors. It offers a great one-time purchase model and has been updated with some powerful AI-assisted masking tools. Premiere Pro is widely considered the industry standard for agencies and professional video teams. Its integration with the entire Adobe Creative Suite is a massive advantage if you do heavy motion graphics work. However, it does come with a monthly subscription cost and requires a powerful machine to run smoothly. DaVinci Resolve is the absolute king of color grading and is used in Hollywood for a reason. The free version is remarkably robust, though the node-based workflow can be a bit tricky for beginners to learn at first. But here is the real practical reality that many creators forget. Your biggest challenge is not the NLE, it is the repurposing process. Spending hours manually scrubbing through long podcast episodes to find a single shareable clip is soul-crushing work. This is where Vizard comes in. By acting as a powerful layer on top of your existing editing workflow, you simply upload your long video and the AI automatically scans it for high engagement moments and viral hooks. It then pulls out those moments and generates short, platform-ready clips without you having to scrub for hours. Vizard even includes a content calendar so you can see all your scheduled posts in one single place. You can tweak your captions, thumbnails, and timings right inside the tool before anything goes live. It generates captions automatically and handles multiple aspect ratios, which saves you from re-editing for every platform. You can even export these clips back into your favorite NLE if you want to add some final creative touches. Vizard isn't trying to replace Final Cut or Premiere, it is simply the time saver that handles your distribution pipeline. If you are running a weekly show, this workflow scales much better than doing everything manually by hand. Beginners should start with CapCut to learn short-form language, while pros can use Resolve paired with Vizard to manage their distribution. Always remember that while automation is great, you should still keep a human eye on things to ensure quality and brand safety. Ultimately, the best setup is a hybrid approach where you edit your master in an NLE, then automate the repurposing with Vizard. That is how you go from posting sporadically to having a steady, consistent stream of content that actually grows your audience. So start with the basics, learn to cut, then automate the repetitive grunt work so you can focus on making great ideas.